just had this package delivered by UPS, and if it's what I think it is, it's a new tool for Downeast on the farm. Let's see what we got. Yep, that's what it is. This is a nail puller. I guess that's what it's called. They have a number of different names people call them. And this is going to be a handy tool, and the reason for that is because if you've been following my videos, you know that almost everything I do with my various projects, I happen to use a lot of repurposed, recycled wood and other materials. I almost never buy new material, and some of those materials, some of that wood comes from old furniture that I pull apart and reclaim, and some of it comes from pallets. And of course, when you take these apart, a lot of them have these nails in them, and it takes a long time when you have to extract these nails with a punch and a claw hammer and all that. So I figured that getting one of these tools that would save me quite a bit of time, and that's the name of the game, because I just have so much to do. I have so many projects and I never have enough time. So let's see what we have here. Now, I'm not going into the brand or anything. I'm not sponsored. I bought this with my own money, and I wanted to have this tool, so I just bought it. It's probably the least expensive one I could find on Amazon. I'm not going to mention it, the company or the brand name. It's, you know, if they want to sponsor me, fine, but they're not right now. But these are kind of a generic tool. There are a variety of different manufacturers and different price points. Amazon sells, you know, half a dozen different ones, so you can choose whichever one suits you. It said mine is probably about the cheapest I could find. And oh, it even has an air fitting already in it. That's interesting. Usually when you buy an air tool, you have to supply your own quick couple, but this one already has one in it, so I just have to, all I have to do is just hook up an air supply. Be right back. So this won't be the best example I can give you because, you know, this is pretty thin pallet wood, but pallets typically have those spiral nails and they're not designed to come out. They make these pallets to stay together or not come apart, and so they're very difficult to extract. So that's what I really bought this for, and I'm going to see if this works. Let's just give it a shot here. Whoa, look at that. Shot it right out. Should have had a bucket underneath. Just like that. No worries. Yep, that's going to save me a whole lot of time.